Hello, fellow ambitionists, and welcome to Goal Accomplishment Made Easy, the podcast. I'm your host, and this is where we turn your ambitions into actionable plans. Through proven strategies, personalized goal roadmaps, and a focus on progress, I'll guide you in breaking down big goals into milestones you can achieve. Each episode delivers practical tools to help you stay on track and make real progress towards your goals. Ready to start accomplishing? Let's dive in. When people talk about finishing the year strong, they usually mean pushing themselves to do 10 times more in the last few weeks of December than they managed all year. And honestly, that's not finishing strong, that's panic. Finishing strong isn't about squeezing in more work, it's not about proving anything to yourself, and it's definitely not about forcing productivity at the end of the year just so you feel better about how the year went. Finishing strong is about closing the year with clarity, not pressure. It's about making decisions that set you up for the next year, not draining yourself trying to cram in everything you told yourself you do. So let's talk about what finishing strong actually looks like. Okay. But first, for anyone who's new here, I'm Desiree Stapleton Gonzalez, Harvard certified business strategist, PMP certified project manager, fractional COO, and founder of Goal Accomplishment Made Easy. My work has been featured in Forbes, Business Insider, Entrepreneur, Thrive Global, and 50 plus other places where people go to figure out how to accomplish their goals. Okay. Now, first things first. Finishing strong means ending the year with direction. Okay. A lot of people assume strength looks like effort, but real strength looks like intention. Finishing the year strong means being able to say, I know what I'm carrying into next year. I know what I'm leaving behind. I know what my priorities actually are. I'm not starting January confused. That's finishing strong. Pushing yourself to death in December, that's just stress with good marketing. Okay. Number two, finishing strong means choosing one thing that matters, not 12. December is not the month to juggle everything. It's the month to identify the one thing that still matters for right now. Not the thing that sounds productive, not the thing that you think you should care about, the thing that genuinely needs your attention before the year closes. That level of focus is what carries you into January with momentum and not chaos. Number three, finishing strong means closing loops that create mental clutter. Sometimes the most powerful end of the year move isn't starting something, it's finishing something small. Sending that email, making that appointment, putting a date on something you've been avoiding, returning something you said you'd return, clearing out decisions you've been postponing. It's not glamorous, but it creates mental space, and space is what makes next year workable. So, number four is finishing strong means telling the truth about your capacity. Not the version of you that existed last January, not the version of you that had more energy in July, not the hypothetical version who magically has more discipline next week. Your real, right now, capacity. Finishing strong means respecting that, not fighting it. Number five, finishing strong means entering the new year without resentment toward yourself. People go into January already frustrated because they tried to force December to carry too much weight. The real win is ending the year not disappointed in yourself, not drained, overextended, or behind a story you're embarrassed to admit. Strength is steadiness. Strength is direction. Strength is being able to say, I ended this year with intention. That's finishing strong. Okay. So, if you want support taking your goal and breaking it into clear steps with real deadlines, that's what Goal Accomplishment Made Easy, the program, is built for. Okay. You can visit goalaccomplishmentmadeeasy.com to learn more. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in to Goal Accomplishment Made Easy, the podcast. Stay committed. Keep taking those small daily steps and watch your goals turn to reality. For more resources and personalized support, visit goalaccomplishmentmadeeasy.com, and we'll see you in the next episode.